How to enable Chrome night mode Android coming up. Open Chrome and tap on address bar and paste the given URL in the description. Let's go. You can see Android Chrome UI dark mode. Tap on default button and change this as enable. Relaunch now. Now exit to reopen as refresh. Now click on three dots and tap on settings. Just scroll down and here you will see dark mode. Tap on it and make it on. Now Chrome becomes dark. But we can't see the content in dark mode. It is the big advantage. But look can feel out of content is dark, which is similar to incognito mode. URL link given in the description to change Chrome in dark mode. Hope you liked this video tutorial. Don't forget to give big thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribe.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.